Now I am going to teach 8th standard physics fluids and buoyant force. So what is mean by fluids? Fluids is called as liquid and a gas. Then what is mean by buoyant force? So buoyant force means when a body is fully or partially immersed in a liquid, some force is exerted by liquid. Due to the force, the body moves in upward direction. This force is called upward force. This upward force is exerted by liquid is called buoyant force. This phenomenon is known as buoyancy. For example, take a bucket of water and then empty water can. So close the mouth of the empty water can. Dip the water can vertically downward. The water can moves in downward direction. Release our hands. The water can moves upward direction. Because the force exerted by liquid on the water can, so that the water can moves in upward direction. This is called upthrust. So force exerted upward direction by the liquid is called upward force or buoyancy force or buoyancy. So the water can moves upward direction due to the pressure difference between top and bottom. This also buoyancy. Not only liquid exert buoyant force, gas also exerts some buoyant force. This buoyant force only decide whether the body will float or sink. So already we learned when the body will float, when the body will sink. We compare density. Density of the body is less than that of density of liquid. The body will float. For example, take a stone, drop into the water. The stone will sink because the stone density is greater than that of water density, so that the stone is sink. Then take a plastic bottle or plastic ball, drop into the water. The plastic ball float because the plastic ball density is lesser than that of liquid density, so that the plastic ball will float. But in this chapter we comparing buoyancy force. So weight of the body. So weight means body moves downward due to gravitational pull. That is called weight. So weight of the body is lesser than that of buoyancy force. That is upward force exerted by the liquid. The body will float. Weight of the body is greater than that of buoyancy force. Buoyancy force means upward force exerted by the water. So the body will sink.